So here's how you can update your billing information on iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this can be found in the main settings app by tapping your profile, and at the top of the list, you can see your name, your profile picture, so you get it there. And in here, you can manage so many different things. Obviously, you can see it right away. We have the payment and shipping information. So this is what you can click on to expand it. It might take a while. It might even ask to scan your Face ID or perhaps even ask for Apple ID password, whatever. But once you get inside, you can see your payment method as well as the billing address. So you can basically click on that and change it later. You can see we can update the street and all of the other information. A lot of times this is necessary to even set up a proper Apple ID App Store account, but this also gets shown whenever you are using the Apple Pay checkout on the internet, so there's usually like one-click Apple Pay checkout when you're buying something online, and this is going to be like the address which shows up right away, and you probably want to have that set up correctly so everything works fine and then everything gets delivered to where it is supposed to be. So that's kind of the point behind it. But let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.